What is Ethos Bedrock? Ethos Bedrock is a developer platform designed to make blockchain protocols as easy and accessible as internet protocols. Bedrock can be thought of as an abstraction layer that sits above lower-level blockchain protocols like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Some of the applications that can be built on Bedrock include verified identities, remittances, verified source of funds, and tokenized securities, creating the foundation for a safe and regulatory compliant blockchain solution. This allows Ethos developers, institutions, and regulated partners to harness the innovation pioneered by blockchain technology while creating a traditional financial industry level of professionalism, security, and compliance. The goal of Bedrock is to allow developers and institutions to create sophisticated next-generation financial applications that will power the decentralized economy of the future.